Today, we will talk about how to set time limit for screen recording in Sherix. That is, if you want to automatically stop recording after a specific time. Is it possible in Sherix? Yes, it is possible by editing the workflow of screen recording. Open Sherix software. Click on the hotkey settings. Select Screen Recording Workflow and click Edit. In Task Settings, go to Capture. Select Override Capture Settings. In Capture, go to Screen Recorder. Select Fixed Duration and Set Duration. Thanks. But the problem is that fixed duration is limited to 60 seconds only. Do you want to know a way to make it longer? Select Screen Recording option, located just above Fixed Duration, and in additional command line arguments, you can set time duration. To give duration in minutes and seconds, the syntax is -T space SS. So, for 1 or 10 minutes. -T space 01:10:00. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Most important, like and share the video. And your comments motivates in making more videos like this.